Look what I got for Black Friday. Happy Black Friday. Today I got this Shoppies. This is my first ever Shoppies special edition Gemma Stone. It released today. It says, say hello to Gemma Stone and a few of her valued friends. Spend some time to adore the shine of the most precious Shopkins in Shopville. They are the gleam team that loves to sparkle. Here's some facts about Gemma Stone. It says, it's my time to shine. With a sparkling gleam that's rarely seen, Gemma Stone is truly one of a kind. She has something that everyone is searching for. Natural beauty and a shining personality that makes her totally precious. Her favorite hobby is polishing her pearls, I guess up here, and favorite place to hang out, the red carpet. So let's start opening this up. Here she is, and we can't forget about her VI card. It's Gemma Stone and it says VIP right here, Shopkins, and little coin. So let's check out the doll itself. So it has some tags, but I'm gonna be very careful not to cut her hair. Okay, so here is Gemma Stone. If you look very closely, there is a diamond in her eye, and there's also a huge diamond right here, and another little diamond. I love her lipstick. It's like teal blue, a shimmery teal blue, and then like a very light lavender shimmery color. Her hair is so pretty. I also have these holographic little strings. And just like Gemma Stone, she has a crown and some pearls. And she also has this beautiful cape. Let me just lift up her hair. This beautiful cape. And it also has a hood. We can take it off. So she has a painted on bodice right here. Very pretty. And then they actually have a design on the skirt. It's like a diamond cut, longer and then short. And then her hair is like a diamond cut too, because look, this one's pointing like longer down here, and these are like shorter right here. And look at these shoes. She has diamonds as her heels, and they're very glittery and translucent. You can see her feet right there. And underneath here, she has little glittery, sparkly leggings. So let's put back on her cape and let's see what she looks like with her coat. Wait, is this the one or no? With her hood on. Doing that. Okay, so you take her hair, take her bunch of hair, and then you just take all of her hair, because there's like a hole right here, and then you tuck it here, and then her hood goes on. But since I don't have the cape on, it's like hard. Her bodice is super sparkly. Look at it. And if you look very closely, there's pink right here, pink in it too, plus silver sparkles. And then she has light blue eyebrows. Now let's take out her stand. There's a hole in one of her shoes. Just poke it through, and then she stands. Now let's see if I can find the limited edition opaletta with these blind bags. So let's think of what could be in here. Oh, let me show you off the Shopkin for you. So this one is Diana Diamond right there. She is a beautiful heart-shaped chipped diamond with a little crown, and she looks like a princess. And also, she also has some pearls up here. And then this one right here is Rosie Ruby. She looks like she's ready to rule the land with her little, what's that called again? Or staff or something. And then her beautiful crown, golden crown. I like how the gold fades into a beautiful red because she's a ruby. And now let's check out this. So I think by the feel of this feels like Emma Emerald right here. So let's see if I'm right. Yup, it's Emma Emerald. She looks so pretty with a golden little crown and also a gold fade into green. Okay, now let's do this one. I don't think this is opaletta. Seriously, I don't think this is opaletta. This feels like this one. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I think it's Aurea Amethyst. Yeah, this is definitely Aurea Amethyst. Yep, Aurea Amethyst, but she is translucent on the bottom. You can see my fingers. Yep. You can see my finger right here, and she has a beautiful silver crown. She has a dark purple lining to this translucent, and her hand is out right here. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but this is a really cool set. So I'm gonna still try, and let me show her off a little bit more. Right here, she has this fingerless glove with a little diamond ring. Like, it looks like it's a part of the glove, but it's not. And but it does, because it doesn't have like a yellow ring part right here, but it is a ring. And then this side, she just has fingerless glove, a fingerless glove again with a pearl bracelet. Now let's try to put on her cape one more time. So my brother did it right here. And now, here she is. Now, I was hoping to get the opaletta, but I didn't. But that's okay, because they are still super cool Shopkins. Here she is. Now, she comes with one more item, and that is this little clutch purse with a ginormous diamond. It is a lavender color, like a darker lavender color-ish, and I like how her eyes are positioned. She has a pearl beaded handle with some pearls on the side right here, and she's actually sparkly. If you look very close, there's a little shimmer to it, and there's more shimmer. There's a little glitter in there. So, and this is really cool because it can actually open. It'll fit Happy Places Shopkins, but like, I don't have a Happy Places. So it could probably fit just like a small item, like a toothbrush, like a Shopkin toothbrush. But this could actually hold Shopkins. So that is it of the Gemma Stone. Here is her handling her bag. Here are all the Shopkins, and here is Gemma right here. What? Just stand. Okay. So that is it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me if you have a Shopee doll or not. This is my first ever one. So yeah, tell me in the comments below.